Welcome to Oddsnips. Now today I'm going to give you a very brief demonstration of the power of Power Query within Excel and how you can use it to combine a number of Excel spreadsheets from a single folder, and as new spreadsheets come in, if they're in a similar layout, they can be combined in with a simple click. It'll make more sense as we go through it and you can see what's happening. Now your start point, click on data, get data, from file, from folder. Select the folder with the various spreadsheets in. Give it a few seconds. Those are my 3 example spreadsheets, 17, 18, 19. I want to combine them, but I also want to transform them at the same time. So I'll click down, combine and transform data. That brings up this screen. Now it will pick the first file it finds, but if you want, you can pick one of the other ones. First one's fine by me. Or the data happens to be the name of the sheet. So if you've got multiple sheets within those files, you can specify that, but this is the one I want. There's the sample data. Hit OK. Give it a few seconds. This will bring up Power Query. Now this is the sales data as it currently sees it, and it's the combined version. Okay, now we're in here. The first thing I want to do is I want to split this source name column. I want to be able to keep the year as part of the final file, but I want to get rid of the rest of this. Right click, split column by delimiter. Now it's set to space. I could pick one of the other ones, or I can do a custom one. That's fine by me because that's where I want to split it. I also want to split it after the first one. If I leave it at each occurrence, I'd end up with a separate column for each of those 3. Hit OK. There's my split. Now I don't want that column. Right click, remove. Simple as that. Double click that. Give it a new name. Okay, now in the order column, you can see this row with X's in it. I want to get rid of that. It's just it's bad data. Drop down, search, stick a couple of X's in there. That brings back that row. Get rid of that tick, and that row is now filtered out, and any of similar rows in the other sheets will be similarly gone. Now on the customer ID, we've got the customer ID on one side and the customer's name on the other, with a separator which is a space, a dash and a space. I want to split that into 2 columns. So again, right click, split column by delimiter. This time I want a custom split, so it's space, dash, space. Left, doesn't matter. There we have the split. Rename. Rename. It's a good type. And there's our two columns. Okay. Now then, further over to the right, we've got order date and we've got ship date. Let's add a new column that lets us know how long a delay there is between those 2. Click on ship date. Left click with shift. Click on order date. Date. Subtract days. There we are. Okay. Now we have a revenue column, we have a cost column. Let's figure out what the percentage is. Click on there. Click on there. Standard. I'm in the add column still. Percentage of. There we have it. Okay, there's lots more that we could do, but let's leave that for now. I'll leave links below, as I said at the start, so you can have a look at a couple of other YouTubers that know a great deal more about this than I do. This was only ever intended as a demonstration more than anything. Let's get this back into Excel. Close and load. Close and load 2. You've got two choices. You can dump it straight back into the sheet, or you can specify where you want to go. Let's go that route just to be on the safe side. Want it back in a table. Let's create a new worksheet. Give it a few seconds. And there you go. Now we've got 2017, 18 and 19. Suppose we get the data in for 2020. How do we add it in? Very, very simple. That's the new sheet. There's my current ones. Add it into the same folder. Refresh all. Now, if we have a look, there's 2020. It's got the order ID, customer name. All the changes are automatically carried out. It really is as simple as that. And there you have it. As I said at the start, this is a very brief demonstration more than anything. But hopefully you've got enough out of this that you'll be able to play with it yourself. Okay, thank you.